Okay, this is also very nice. Today on the 26th of September 2024, here's Kivikirveenkuja. What was it?
4.
And which staircase?
B.
B, yeah. Stennyksvägen. Probably, yeah. Stennyksvägen. And it's also in Myyrmäki, Myyrmäki, Vantaa, Helsinki, sports region, Uusimaa, Finland. The best is 4 persons doing 20 grams. And some information here. It was built in 1978, more 1996, but this number is 44020 and more like upgraded.
No, it's just modernized.
Yeah, okay. Strange stuff, but
Yeah.
but I think the machine is probably original.
Yeah.
It sounds like.
Yeah. No. No, we can take out there. Mis ma teid paaki vaeskutan, et me ei teinud pesome hissirakondi.
I'm not sure if it's late 1978,
Yeah.
but we can check it later. Might be, maybe, but we'll check it.
Yeah. That's